Alright guys, we're back for another quick Bitcoin update here. Just wanted to say that our prediction for the 55k did hit. We actually went further than that. We actually almost went even down to 51k. We were at this little major support here. Well, not major, but relatively. Well, we don't have any other support, so that's quite a major support here. So we hit that. As we were saying, we went through the bottom. We pierced through the 200 moving average. Now we're retesting, right? So if we do retest successfully, we're going to keep going down further to the 40k region, and just try to do this again. So symmetric triangle here. Now this is even looking better than before because now we're actually retesting the symmetric triangle, and it's confluence with the 200 moving average. So you see what I mean? I mean, you don't need Elliott waves, right? You don't necessarily even need Fibonacci. I mean, you could use the Fibonacci retracement for sure. I use that sometimes, but I like these technicals either. These are also good. But Elliott waves is like you need so much to play out. It's like not every time it's the same thing, right? Especially if you're looking at like maybe a 6 months or something like that. So what we can see here is we try to break out of this. So we're doing the charts now. So maybe a 4 hour would make more sense. So we tried to break out of it, and I did say we were gonna have a chance to break out of this pattern here because we were oversold. So and then there was a flag here, and we broke out of that. If we and we just couldn't stay above this pattern. And so what happens is if you break back, you're gonna go all the way down, and possibly even break this flag, bear flag, right? So just gonna show you once more the bear flag here. It's gonna take us to 50k, right? Or 50, you know what? Let's do this properly. It should go from here, and this should go. It's not gonna take the whole pole. Let's see. Let's go from here. Let's go from here. Okay. So we're gonna have to break through a lot of resistance support first. That's 51, right? So if we were just looking at this pattern here, right here is we have this one right here. You can do it like that. Bring it down, and those are previous projection. So what does it mean now? Well, the last couple of days we were looking at this, or at least I was looking at this myself, and I did see a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and that played out, you would say, something like that. And so the measured move of that, and we're not even done yet, but it's weekends, and it's the euro, so we want to break back above the 200. Right now we are kind of stuck here. Or if you really want to, if you want to say that this head and shoulder is not complete, right? You could say this is the real head and shoulder. Let's bring this lower, right? But this, we might do that, and Stokes are very low. 4 hour is 4 hour still has a move down. The 1 hour is kind of curving. Yeah, it's curving up now. But this is just possibly a retest, and so gotta watch out, guys. Right, this is possible. If we do break back, I could be bullish again, because always look at the smaller time frame. So, but we have to understand that we could be just retesting. So the next 3 days or so, 3 or 4 days would be key here. Just remember that, and then always zoom out. You know, the longer time frame. This could just be, we should just be plateauing here. We could break back and we just up and down here. You know, but on a very longer time frame, I'm always optimistic about Bitcoin because this is, you see, this is a bull flag here. Although it's a symmetric triangle, it's also a bull flag, and the halving, of course, usually takes 6 months, right? So, and it was April, so you expect like October to be back to normal, and a very extremely bullish state will be 127k. All right, don't get me wrong. This could never happen. Who knows, right? It could happen, in a month, or it could happen in 2 years, right? It really depends on how the market behaves on a day-to-day basis, and we'll keep you up to date. All right, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. That's just a quick update. And Sunday there's not much action, so we could, one day we could probably do some live and just play around with the market and see, what you know. Let me know what you guys think, okay? And leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and turn on all the notifications. And I'll see you in the next video.